Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechK3. Today let us see how to install Kali Linux in VirtualBox. Let's start. Search for Kali Linux in Google Chrome and go to official website. I will mention it in description box below. Download Kali Linux VirtualBox image. Select 32-bit or 64-bit according to your system configuration. Now search for VirtualBox and go to official website. I will mention it in description box below. Download VirtualBox latest Windows version.
A few moments later.
Now the VirtualBox file is downloaded. Install it in your desired location. Install it by on-screen instructions. Now, wait up to the Kali Linux file downloads.
One eternity later.
The Kali Linux file is downloaded. Before proceeding further, make sure you enable virtualization in boot menu. Now, let us install Kali Linux image in VirtualBox. Press New and name it as Kali Linux. Select type Linux and version as 32-bit or 64-bit. Set memory to at least 2 GB of RAM. Select Create a virtual hard disk now. Select VDI. Select Dynamically Allocated. Set memory to 80 GB. Now go to Settings. Go to Advanced tab and select those both as bidirectional. Go to System and set hard disk to first and optical to second. Go to Processor tab, select Processors to at least 2 and enable PAENX. Go to Display and make video memory to 128 MB. Make sure you disable 3D acceleration. Now let's start Kali Linux machine. Wait, we didn't select our downloaded image here. We should select our downloaded image here. Click Add and select your downloaded image. Select Kali Linux OVA image. And let's start the machine. Select Live AMD64. If you like our video, do like and share it with your friends because sharing is caring. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.